A tree, popularly known as the bishop tree. What a fantastic tree this is. Introducing Bischofia javanica of the family Phyllantaceae. The genus name Bischofia is named after Heinrich Bishop, a botanist known for his work in the 19th century. The species name javanica is the Latin term meaning from Java, reflecting the tree's geographic origin. It is also called Java cedar. It is widely distributed in the Philippines from Luzon to Mindanao, also in India through Malaya to Polynesia. Tuay is a very large tree growing to 30 meters tall and attaining a diameter of 100 centimeters or more. Wine is made from the fruit. The leaves are a key ingredient in a traditional spicy sauce in the southern areas of Laos. Seeds are also edible. The tannins present in the bark are used to color rattan baskets and red. Roots are used in traditional medicine for various ailments. The oil present in the seed is used as a lubricating agent. The crushed leaves and fresh bark of tuay can be applied externally to treat a stomach ache. The bark sap mixed with lime can be used to treat sore feet. Raw or cooked young leaves can also be eaten as a vegetable. Tuay can also be planted as ornamental, street, shade, and reforestation trees. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.